I'm going to go ahead and do a typing test on the Havit Magic Eagle mechanical keyboard, and then we'll go ahead and see the results after. Ready? Begin. Alright, and I'm finished with the test. Again, this is the Havit Magic Eagle mechanical gaming keyboard, and you can see here, words per minute 105, 2 words wrong, adjusted, 98 words per minute. Now this was my second typing test with the keyboard, which is actually pretty good considering it was only my second typing test with the keyboard. I also started a little late. One reason why I use 10 fast fingers is because it doesn't give you proper paragraphs in order, it gives you randomized words. It actually slows me down because when I can read a paragraph and I can see what's coming, I can tend to increase speed. By tripping me up with random words in a row, it forces me to only read and type one word at a time instead of being able to accelerate. So realistically, I could probably go faster. The responsiveness of the keys on this Havit mechanical gaming keyboard are amazing. They're blue switch, they are tactile, they're soft, but they snap back really quickly, so you can you definitely feel them. It feels so much better than a membrane keyboard to type on. Now they are loud. You can hear the thwacking of each key, and the volume of them is kind of loud enough to where it bothers my family, so that would be the only negative of the Havit mechanical gaming keyboard. But the volume of the clicking of keys is very common. All mechanical keyboards have very loud clicky keys unless you specifically get a silent mechanical keyboard, and there's very few manufacturers that make them. This is the Havit mechanical gaming keyboard, an excellent typing keyboard, gaming keyboard. There's no ghosting, there's no rollover. I will show the lighting effects at night in another video. Thank you for watching.